You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
Small, Papa, like that. Tiny.
Whoa!
Really, Chrome?
Yes, really.
Really? I can't leave you alone for 2 seconds, and this is what you do?
I'm not Chrome. I'm Sir Chrome the Brave.
Really?
Of the Knights of the Round Table.
Oh my god.
Go, let go.
What's that noise coming from your boot?
I don't know.
Oh. Uh-oh. Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Did you just eat an entire carton of eggs?